Welcome to the Chic Show. Today I have 5 decoupage ornaments for you. Today is 5 under $5 challenge hosted by Emily from Farm Charm Chic and co-hosted by Audia from DIY with Audia. Links to their channels and the playlists are in the description box below. Today's video is all about decoupage Christmas ornaments using napkins. Here's a look at all of the paper napkins that I have collected over the years, and we're going to be taking a few of these and making some fun ornaments. Here's a look at the first 3 ornaments that I'm going to be working with and the napkins I'm going to be using. All 3 ornaments are from Dollar Tree and the napkins are from various places that I have gotten them over the years. The first step is to give them all 3 a coat of Waverly White chalk paint. This will help the napkin to have a more vivid color when we decoupage it on. Starting with the tree ornament, I'm going to be giving it a coat of Mod Podge, and then I'm going to let that dry, and then I'm going to use the iron-on method for the napkin. Now that the Mod Podge is dry, I'm placing my tree napkin down along with a piece of Teflon and my little mini iron, and I'm just going to move that around gently until it adheres. I'll cut away the excess paper and then sand the edges down. Once I get all the edges sanded off smoothly, I'm going to be using some Rub and Buff in Antique Gold to go around the edges. Onto the back, I hot glued a simple hanger and hung it on my tree. For the star ornament, I did give it a coat of Waverly White chalk paint. And once again, I am giving it a coat of Mod Podge. For this one, I did not use the iron-on method. I wanted to be sure that I got it centered completely in the middle of that star, so I did put it down while it was wet, and then I just took a tool and kind of smoothed it out, and I had very little wrinkling. And to finish it off, I used my gold paint pen on the edges. I'm simply going to repeat the process for the stocking. Give it a coat of Waverly White chalk paint, let it dry, coat it with Mod Podge, and then iron down the napkin. Once I have sanded around the edges and removed that excess paper, I'm going to embellish the stocking just a little bit. I'm using a scrap piece of one of Dollar Tree's white auto towels for the cuff at the top. I'm also going to add a little white ribbon for the stocking hanger. For the fourth ornament, I'm also using one from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using the Spring on the Cheer napkin. Again, I gave it a coat of Waverly White Chalk paint and a coat of Mod Podge. The great thing about this napkin is you have 4 like pictures, so you could make 4 of these at once. I think I forgot to tell you that you do separate the plies of napkins. You only want the one ply at the top that has the design on it. And now I'm going to place it on my ornament, and again using my iron to activate that Mod Podge so that it will adhere. I sanded away the excess napkin, and then I added a green ribbon to the top. And for the final project, we're simply going to repeat the process, only this time we're using one of Dollar Tree's bells and this joy napkin. This napkin actually has 4 sides: love, joy, peace, and hope. So you could make a set of 4 ornaments with one napkin. Once the white paint had dried, I did go around the edges with some gold paint, but I didn't really like it, so I do something different with that in the end. Now I'm adding that Mod Podge, and then we'll pull the plies apart on the napkin and iron it on. Again, sanding away those edges, and now I'm going to use some rub and buff to go over those gold sides. I got a little bit messy with the gold paint, so I did take the rub and buff up over the edges to cover that up. I'll add a gold ribbon to the top to hang the ornament, and this ornament is complete. I hope you've enjoyed these Christmas ornament DIYs today. Each one was well under $2. I want to thank our hosts again today for hosting. Be sure and check out their channels in the description box below, along with the playlist for many more ornament ideas. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to share the chic. Bye now.